What if Wiz Khalifa's classic anthem When I Grow Up holds a deeper, progressive message about ambition, success, and the kind of impact we want to make on the world? Today, we're diving into Wiz Khalifa's iconic track When I Grow Up, but with a fresh, progressive lens. We'll unpack how the seemingly simple lyrics about future aspirations can resonate with modern ideals of personal growth, societal contribution, and achieving success on your own terms. Step 1. Let's revisit the core themes. Wiz paints a picture of a future self one with financial freedom and the ability to enjoy life's luxuries but beyond the material. When I Grow Up speaks to a sense of accomplishment and breaking free from limitations. This is where the progressive interpretation begins. Step 2. Progressive ambition. While many might see the song simply as a wish list, a progressive take suggests that this ambition isn't just for personal gain, it's about building a foundation that allows for greater impact. Think about how financial stability can fuel passions, support causes, or even create opportunities for others. Step 3. Redefining success. Progressive thought challenges traditional metrics. When I Grow Up can be interpreted as a call to define your own success. It's not just about the flashy cars and mansions, but about crafting a life of purpose, fulfillment, and contribution. It's about growing into a person who not only thrives but also lifts up those around them. Step 4. Societal impact. Consider the ripple effect of achieving your dreams. When individuals, inspired by anthems like When I Grow Up, pursue their goals with a broader vision, they can become agents of positive change. Their success can pave the way for new ideas, break down barriers, and inspire a new generation to dream bigger and better. So, the next time you hear When I Grow Up, think beyond the immediate. Consider the potential for impact, the power of a self-defined path, and the progressive spirit of using your future success to build a better tomorrow. It's about growing up and growing forward together.